Hey everybody, Dave Cook, DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, and I'm getting ready to walk into a house here in Huntley as we are painting some cabinets. Painted some cabinets. So today is install day, so I'm kind of going to surprise Anthony and Chad as they're putting up the doors and drawers that we painted. So let's go take a look at the cabinets that we painted, oak cabinets that we painted white. Let's go take a peek. All right, so here we are inside. Chad is, you can see, having fun putting that door up. So these were golden oak cabinets that between Chad and Anthony, they've been painting away at these things. So today's install day. Hinges stayed the same. The handles are new, but the same hole. So they bought them, I think, on Amazon. So these are the new handles that are going on. Old ones are there. So those pretty much are going away. So all the doors, drawers go back on, and I can see Chad unwrapping them. So use these foam pads. They're actually foam sleeves. Kind of nice. So as we're done painting, we can put them in there. So as we're going from shop to here, they're protected. They don't get scratched and marred. Same thing with the drawer fronts, they go back on. Using the same hinges, same screws, makes it a little bit easier putting everything back on. You can see Chad just referencing the map, so he knows exactly what door goes where. Yeah, so they'll have everything up today. Homeowner's getting a new microwave. They're replacing appliances at some point. I think they said stainless, but I don't remember. But there you go, kind of the progress. You can hear Anthony in the background putting stuff up, but everything's going back to where it was. So nice, uniform, wherever it was, that's where it goes. Got questions on painting your oak cabinets? Give us a call. Let us know how we can help you with helping improve your home, whether it's repainting your cabinets, painting your walls, wallpaper. Let us know. Love to see if we can help you love the space you're in. Have a great day and God bless.